Have you ever tried to import a QuickTime Pro file into Premiere Pro and you get the kiss of death error message? Well, guess what? In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to import a QuickTime Pro file into Premiere Pro really easy and fast. If this is your first time in my channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified anytime I have a new video. Step number 1, you have to create a QuickTime profile. In my case, I'm creating a quick file of a YouTube channel. So I'm basically going to go to my YouTube channel, Live Love Pretty, and I'm going to create a little QuickTime Pro video of it. So I'm going to click on, just like scroll down, and I'm just creating a little, clip of it. And then I'm going to exit and save, and of course this is going to be a .mov file. Step number 2, I'm gonna go to my desktop and find the clip that you saved. In this case, this is the video, and if you notice, the extension is .mov for movie. I'm gonna open it, make sure that that's the video that I wanna import into Premiere Pro, and yes, that's the video that I want. So I'm gonna basically just close that of that, and what I'm gonna do is gonna be super simple. I'm gonna right click, and you know what it says, that MOV, and I'm gonna click on rename. Super simple. And I'm gonna type that MP4. Once I have the MP4, it's gonna ask me if I wanna do a keep that MOV or switch to that MP4, and I'm gonna click the second option because yes, I do want to switch it, and that's it. Now it's an MP4 and it's ready to be imported into Premiere Pro. Step number 3, I'm gonna open Premiere Pro. In this case, I already had it open, so I just basically open it up. I'm gonna go to my desktop and I'm gonna try to find that file that I just saved. In this case, I have two, at that MP4 and a .mov. I'm gonna try to import the MP4 so you can see what's gonna do. So I'm just gonna first let me start with MP4. So I'm just gonna drag it into Premiere Pro and see, it's gonna be like magic. It just allowed me with no problems. I didn't get any errors, and that's my file. As you can see, it's just like perfect. I just didn't get any errors, which is what I was looking for. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try the other example. I'm gonna go back to my desktop and I'm gonna try to drag that MOV file. So I'm just gonna hold it and drag it, and if you can see, I just saw the error. Let's see if we can reproduce it again. I'm gonna drag it and it's just not gonna let me. The more I try, it just doesn't really take it. I'm gonna try it one more time. It's just not gonna take it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try a different version. So I'm gonna go to my import. I'm looking for the import button. So I'm gonna go to File on the top, File, and then I'm gonna select Import. And from there, I'm gonna go to my desktop and I'm looking for that file, that MOV file. There it is. So I'm gonna click on Import. It's gonna look like it's gonna do it, and guess what? I got the kiss of that error. So as you can see, this is a very simple way to import into Premiere Pro without having any errors. Just right click into the QuickTime Pro file, save it as an MP4, and then there you are, super quick and fast.